Home to Mumbai's commercial hub Bandra Kurla complex, Bandra East has had a facelift in recent years. While commercial buildings dominate its skyline, some of the residential projects are also making a mark here. Hello and welcome to yet another episode of MBTV's Project Review. I'm your host Deepshikha Yadav, and today I will be reviewing a residential project in Bandra East. Antriksh Ace, a project by Pitte Antriksh Realty Private Limited, is coming up on an area that's just less than half an acre. This project offers a single tower of 23 floors having 116 units. This tower has 1 DHKs ranging from 409 to 454 square feet carpet area and 2 BHKs ranging from 556 to 707 square feet carpet area. While the one-bedroom apartments of 409 square feet are available at a starting price of Rs 1.19 crores, those of 454 square feet are available at a starting price of Rs 1.32 crores. And while the two-bedroom apartments of 556 square feet are available at a starting price of Rs 1.62 crores, those of 707 square feet carpet area are available at a starting price of Rs 2.10 crores. The possession is likely to be in December 2026. This project is registered with MahaRERA and the ID is mentioned on the screen as well as the description below this video. The project will have one entrance gate, one exit gate and a covered driveway. As soon as you enter, the covered driveway will take you to the car parking tower, which will be in between both the wings. On one side of the car parking tower will be 3 lifts and entrance lobby of Wing B and car lift. On the other side of the car parking tower will be 3 lifts and entrance lobby of Wing A, an EV charging room. Behind the tower will be an outdoor gym area, kids play area and garden area. Now let's zoom into the floor plan of the project. This tower has 2 wings and each floor of both the wings will have parking space, car lift, 4 flats, 3 lifts, 1 staircase and a wide passage connecting the apartments. It's time to take a look at the design and layout of a one-bedroom apartment. It opens up to a foyer which leads into a living cum dining room. Next to the dining space is an L-shaped kitchen, and next to the living room is a bedroom with an attached washroom. There's a washroom next to the kitchen as well. Now let's take a look at the design and layout of a 2-bedroom apartment. It opens up to a living room and a passage from the living room leads into a master bedroom. Between the master bedroom and the living room are a smaller bedroom and a kitchen. Apart from the washroom in the master bedroom, there's a common washroom next to the living room as well. Antriksh Ace promises to offer a wide range of lifestyle amenities, and every privilege here will be thoughtfully provided with elegance and style. The amenities here will be available on the ground floor as well as the terrace. The facilities at this project include indoor and outdoor gym, space for work from home days, creche, doodle corner, yoga zone, swimming pool with aqua gym, party lawn, gaming zone and reading corner. They say if you're staying in Bandra, you belong to the nerve center of Mumbai. So living in Bandra East, you will be well connected to various parts of Mumbai via Western Express Highway and the Western Suburban Railway. Come, let's find out more about this project's neighborhood and connectivity. The major approaching road here is Western Express Highway and the nearest bus stop here is Bandra East bus stop. In addition to this, many other bus stops are present on Western Express Highway. Apart from the buses, auto rickshaws and cabs are easily available for local transportation. Bandra railway station is just a kilometer away and can be reached via Station Road. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is around 10 kilometers away and can be reached via Western Express Highway. The newly proposed Aqua Line 3 of the Mumbai Metro is presently under construction.
This line will connect to other metro lines, monorail, suburban rail, intercity rail and Mumbai Airport. It will also lighten the pressure on the western line between Bandra and Churchgate. Let's give you a quick roundup of how the social infrastructure around the project has shaped up. Mount Litera School, American School of Bombay and Dhirubhai Ambani International School are within a 4-kilometer radius. Nearby colleges are LS Raheja School of Architecture and University of Mumbai Santa Cruz Sub-Campus, and both of them are within a 3-kilometer radius. The major healthcare options in the vicinity are Guru Nanak Hospital, Asian Heart Institute and Leelavati Hospital. Geo World Drive, Linking Road Market, Link Square Mall and Phoenix Market City Mall are some major retail and entertainment options which are within 7 kilometers. Job hubs nearby are Bandra Kurla Complex, Indiabulls Financial Centre and Peninsula Corporate Park in Lower Parel, which are within a 9-kilometer radius.
Now let me give you a snapshot of the pricing and let's find out who all can afford a home at Antriksh Ace.
According to Magic Bricks, the average locality rate of Bandra East is around Rs 20,900 to 38,100 per square foot. The price range of 1 BHKs in and around Bandra East is around Rs 90 lakhs to 1.20 crores. And that of 2 BHKs is around Rs 2 crores to 3 crores. The apartments of Antriksh Ace fall within the ambit of this price range. Looking at their prices and a wide range of amenities, it can be classified in the mid-range category. This is likely to fit the budget of home buyers who wish to stay in Bandra but can't afford the western part of the suburb. The location is great for those working in Bandra Kurla Complex that's located 4 kilometers from the project. Now let's give you an analysis of some competing projects with Antriksh Ace. Here's a look at the details of all the projects. It's interesting to note that Antriksh Ace is offering bigger apartments at lower prices when compared to other nearby projects.
Now after giving you a snapshot of the pricing, let me tell you about the developer.
Antriksh Ace is a joint venture between Pitte Group and Antriksh Group and also the first project by Pitte Antriksh Realty Private Limited. While Antriksh Group is completely involved in the real estate sector, Pitte Group is involved in various business segments, namely consumer products, media and entertainment, and logistics and supply chain. Before I conclude, let me give you a quick recap of the project. Antriksh Ace enjoys good connectivity because of its strategic location and offers comfort and conveniences in the form of several amenities. It is located very close to Bandra station and enjoys easy access to Western Express Highway. However, there is higher air pollution in the area due to ongoing construction activities. Also, being close to Bandra Kurla Complex has its own disadvantages such as traffic jams at entry and exit points of BKC.
So this was my review of project Antriksh Ace in Bandra East. If you liked our review, please give us a thumbs up and share the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to MBTV for more such project reviews from across the country. This is Deepshikha Yadav signing off with camera person Arpit Sharma.